Hi guys, I am here to show you how to make a slip knot to begin most of your crochet projects. And this is what it looks like when it's made. They are easily taken apart, so it's not a proper knot. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to wrap it around and tuck it in through the back and then pull. One more time. Wrap it around, tuck it through the back, pull. And you can adjust the size, see, as it goes. Again, wrap it around, tuck it in the back, and pull. So when you get ready to start, just put your hook in and tighten it. And you're gonna want it to get it this size. See how it tapers there? So that's gonna end up being a different size. The size you want is actually this part of your hook. So this is a 6mm, and that's what size of hole you would have there.